Hello students, this is your Mr. GST CA Vishnuvardhan. This video is mainly for the CA final students who are writing their November 2024 exams, and this is all about what you have to study one day before your exam. So what and all the important topics which you should definitely cover for your exam. So without wasting much your time, let me just go into the video. So I have figured out 21 key topics which you should definitely cover before going to the exam. So first of all, if you look at the strategy, see, first, the moment you finish your DT exam and come to your home, please make sure from customs, see, 21 chapters I have listed here, and in this 21 chapters, first of all, understand this first 6 chapters. If you are going through this first 6 chapters only, it will be useful for you to cover this ITC first compulsory question problem. So most of the adjustments, everything, you should be able to go with supply, charge, exemptions, place of supply, time of supply, value of supply, ITC adjustment, all these things. Majorly those adjustments will be there, and please make sure you are covering first these 7 chapters. Next, registration, important topic in GST, refunds under GST, offenses and penalties, payment of tax and TDS chapter is there. That is also again very important. And in GST, coming to the other chapters, import and export under GST, demands and recovery, appeals and revision, advance ruling, e-commerce transactions, returns. These are the very important chapters with respect to GST point. And please understand, especially the second category here, what I have written in GST. From these chapters, questions will be literally very easy. The only thing is students covering these chapters are very less. So I advise you, please cover these chapters so that you have a better advantage, and if the question is tested, the question will be literally damn easy. So please don't skip these chapters. Now coming to customs, I suggest you, see, the weightage itself you know very less, and what I suggest you is types of duties, classification, valuation. These 3 chapters if you prepare, and baggage rules topic alone if you prepare also, you will be able to cover comfortably 10 marks from customs duty. Remaining thing you just ignore it, no problem at all, because you will have sufficient time to cover other parts of GST. Okay, so these are the chapters. And apart from that, see, first of all, I will tell you what are the chapters to be covered here. And one more important thing is, once your DT exam is over, before going to bed, my suggestion to you is cover this particular customs duty topic. I repeat, the day DT exam is over, cover this customs topics so that customs is over for you. From next day you can have, and these are easy topics, especially valuation, there will be one question, and baggage rules, high chances of question being tested. So at least valuation, the problems, etc., whatever are there, please cover that. My suggestion is, ideally you cover all these topics in customs duty the moment DT exam is over. Okay, from next day you can happily start with GST, right? In GST also you can take a screenshot what are the topics to be covered. So these are the 21 chapters mainly which you should definitely cover, and later on, based on time permitting, all that stuff, you can go with the remaining chapters. This is purely to make sure you are passing the exam. Okay, next, coming to the next important things, see, amendments in taxation subject are very important, whether it is direct tax or indirect tax. So in indirect tax, if you see, I have made an amendments quick revision video which is just 30 minutes video covering all the amendments in a crisp and clear way, and the related material also I have made, and you can get that link in the description of this video. So watch that amendments video for sure. And ideal time to watch that amendments video is, please understand, on the day of exam. So your exam is like 11th November. On the morning of 11th November, what you have to do is, so on the morning of 11th November, you cover this amendments video first, and then please make sure on the same day, that is on the exam day, you are covering definitely last 2 attempts and current attempt. That means total 3 attempts, RTPs as well as MTPs, my dear friends. I repeat, on the exam day, definitely first thing in the morning, make sure you are watching the amendments video so that you have revised everything. Now if you watch amendments, you will understand where and all the amendments happened, all that stuff. And make sure you are solving current attempt RTP and last 2 attempt RTPs, and current attempt MTPs and last 2 attempt MTPs. So this will be like sufficient time for you. Plan the time accordingly, but on the exam day, make sure you are going through this, so that what will happen now, you will quickly revise all the key chapters and key topics also by solving these RTPs and MTPs. So this is what the quick video regarding what to do during the last day of the exam. So please make sure you're using the time effectively, and of course, like preparation wise, this is the last paper. Of course, IBS paper, all the 5 papers combined, you're going to do that. And preparation wise, IDT is a scoring paper. Please make sure you are scoring well, and first of all, be conceptually strong rather than mugging up certain problems. So wishing you all success, and hope to see you all as chartered accountants early. So wishing you all the best once again. Thank you and Jai Hind.